Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word adagios. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I enjoy listening to classical music, especially the beautiful adagios composed by Mozart. Adagios refers to slow and leisurely musical compositions or passages that are typically played at a gentle pace, providing a sense of calm and serenity. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.